Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera. Right. Glad to see you back again. Right. First of all, I would like to apologize for the delay, right, or for the cancellation of your class due for a certain reason that I can't avoid. So today, do not be surprised because what we are going to do here is about topic 7. Right. I do understand that we haven't touched yet for topic 6, but the sequence of the lesson, it is required us to be in the topic 7 first. Then after that, when we go for topic 6. Okay, now take a look on the topic 7 first. Okay, this is about the trial balance. This is about the financial statement. So after we done a part of our trial balance, which is we knew already how to close the account for our journal. From the journal, go to the ledger, and then go to the trial balance. Now we will proceed the information that we done already for your trial balance. We're going to put them in the financial statement. So what is all about the financial statement? As you can see here clearly, right, the information obtained from trial balance is used for the preparation of a financial statement. This is what I said just now, where the part or the record that you already conclude in your trial balance after you know your debit side and your credit side, and which document is supposed to be in the debit and which document is supposed to be on the credit. We're going to put them in the financial statements. So what actually the meaning of the financial statement? As you can see in your notes now, right, financial statements represent a formal record of the financial activities, okay, of an entity. These are written reports that quantify the financial strength, performance, and liquidity of a company. So if you want to see here, they represent a formal record of the financial activities. So meaning here, this part is very important, because if let's say you want to go for your applying your loan, for instance, they might require a financial statements from your company. Okay, now this written report is quantify the financial strength. We want to know how strong your company is, and then we want to know how the performance and also how the liquidity of the company. Okay, liquidity here refers to how fast, all right, you can generate the what we call your assets to go for your cash. Okay, right, and then it will reflect also the business transaction and what are the events, okay, what are the details of the transaction in your company. So as you can see in your notes now, when you're talking about the financial statement, they are given us this information. The first one is the statement of the changes in equity, statement of the cash flow, statement of the financial position, and statement of the comprehensive income. These are the purpose of the financial statement. They will they will reflect our company to the outsiders. Okay, now if we can go to okay, now so this is about the introduction first. Now let us move on the details of the financial statement. Actually, they are divided into two. One, the financial statement, we are referring for the statement of comprehensive income, meaning that we want to know, right, we want to know the detail of our income. Where does it coming from, how the money in and the money out, okay, what are the transaction it's supposed to be. Okay, so they are having two sides. We have here income statements, and under income statements kita ada dua. Satu kita panggil the trading account, satu lagi kita panggil sebagai profit and loss account. Whereas another one more side, the importance of the financial statement, because they will generate for us statement of financial position, yang mana dia akan tunjukkan kita balance sheets. Okay, now so the purpose of the preparing financial statement. As you can see in the first part, actually we are talking about the financial position. This is the first reason why do we have to prepare the financial statement. Number one, because we want to know, right? They want to show us the financial position of our company. How did it show? They will show us through our they will show us, okay, they will disclose the financial position of an entity at a point of time, meaning that kan kita punya financial statement tu akan tulis as contohnya macam income statement as at the end of the 31st of December, soalnya December lah, of that particular year. So details about the position, how strong our financial adalah pada accurate dia hanya pada waktu itu saja, pada tahun keuangan tersebut. Okay, so dalam kita punya financial statement ni, dia akan menunjukkan asset, liability and equity. Okay, that is the first one dalam financial position. Yang kedua, tujuan financial statement adalah untuk memberitahu kemajuan ataupun how good you punya company, right? How do they give to you? Because dia akan tunjukkan dekat you whether you get revenue or how do you get the income, and bagaimana you belanjakan dia expenses on that particular revenue. In order untuk dapatkan revenue tersebut, mesti ada cost yang you all kena tanggung. So cara dia macam mana? Okay, itu semua akan dia akan reveal dalam kita punya performance of our financial statement. And the next one here, dia akan tunjukkan juga dalam changes in financial position. Okay, kita punya what we call financial statement ni akan menunjukkan macam mana kita punya cash flow. Cash flow ni adalah aliran wang tunai pada setiap bulan dalam setahun. Biasanya kita akan prepare yang betul-betul aliran tunai kita dalam setahun tu betul-betul the real one, daripada Januari sampai kepada bulan Disember. And then biasanya bank dia akan minta dalam 2 bulan. 2 tahun punya propose, okay, of your cash flow, right? So dia akan tunjukkan dekat sini how you invest your money, how do you finance, right? These are the purpose kenapa kita kena sediakan financial statement. And the next one here adalah others. Dia akan beritahu kita dari segi entity lah. Okay. Now, who are going to use our financial statement? These are the people, as you can see in your notes now, right? Your financial statement will be using by the managers, shareholders, prospective assets, or we call as investors, or it might be also for your financial institution like a bank, right? You might given this particular information to the suppliers, which is very important to know whether you are able to pay, right? How strong it is, okay? And also to the customers. This one customers is depends to types of your business, right? Kita ada private limited company, right? Ada yang kita boleh reveal, ada yang kita tidak boleh reveal. And another one important person is employees. Employees juga sangat penting, where they have a right to know how strong your company is. But of course biasanya dia tidak akan beritahu secara detail, dia akan beritahu secara summary saja whether that company make it a profit or make it a loss. Okay, but if you want to know a detail, actually it shouldn't be a problem, no problem at all. Hold on.
Terima kasih, Dada. Tak di dalam
Okay. So okay, so now let us take a look for this.